So, as we have learned many things in the hardware part, so today we are going to learn something interesting, which is GPS module. We might be familiar with the GPS module, but what exactly is GPS module? So, a GPS module will help an Arduino to know where it is on the earth, and it works by talking to satellites in the space and finding the exact location. So we can think of it like a GPS module is a map reader, and the satellites are the helpers in the sky, and the Arduino is the brain. So the satellite tells the GPS module where it is, and the GPS module tells the Arduino the same. So let us break down the parts of this GPS module. So first, on the left side, we can see that there is a white square thing which has a silver antenna here. So this is actually a large antenna, and it is used to receive the signals from the satellites in the space. So you can think of it like the module's ears, like listening to the satellites. And coming back to the chip, we have a silver chip here, written uh, 6M0.001. So this chip here is actually, it calculates the location using the signals from the many satellites, not only one. It uses many satellites to combine all those signals, and it will give the exact location. So we can think of it like a brain of this GPS module. So, and here, unlike other sensors, we have a backup battery, a small battery which is used in case of backup. So in case the GPS is not working with the external power, we'll be using the internal power from the backup battery. uh, it is, a small power bank, just like we use for power bank for our phone. It is a power bank for this module. So, and here we have you know uh, resistors and capacitors, but and we have four pins here, which is VCC, ground, and transmitting and receiving. So transmitting pin is used to send the location data from the GPS module to the Arduino. We can say that it is a mouth of the GPS module, and the receiving pin is a receiver, which will receive commands from the Arduino. We can think of it like a GPS module's ear. And VCC and ground pins are used to give the power supply to the uh, module, and the this cable here, which is connected from the antenna to the GPS module, actually this is, connects the GPS module to the antenna uh, to, you know um, receive the signals from the satellite. Like, it carries the satellite signals from the antenna to the GPS chip. So now the main question is, how does it work? So the satellite sends the signal, and the antenna receive the signals, uh, and the antenna receives the signals, and the GPS chip here will calculate the location, and the GPS module sends the location to the Arduino by transmitting chip, and the Arduino displays the location, or it sends to the phone. So where exactly we got to use this? So we'll be using this in real life projects like vehicle tracking system, or child tracking device, or bicycle tracker, or drone navigation, or GPS navigation system. So it might look too much to remember. So the easy way to remember is, the antenna is the ear of the GPS module, which hears the satellite, and the chip here is the brain, which finds the location, and the battery here is the memory helper, and transmitting and receiving our mouth and ears for the GPS module to talk and hear from the Arduino. So the VCC and ground are the entering and exiting path for the electricity. And now we can say that a GPS module is a device that uses satellite signals to find the location and send the same information to the Arduino or any other microcontroller which we are using. So this is how we learned the GPS module working and how it is made exactly. So now that's it for now. See you in the next video, Robot Builders.